Today we are going to Dragon Boat Festival held in my university, which is Jiangsu University, and I almost reached my university. Let me show you guys. And it's such a nice day. It's raining. This is my university. Today we'll be learning about Chinese culture and what is the significance of Dragon Boat Festival in China. As you can see, they are decorating, they're preparing the things for the festival. And the activity is held on the 4th floor of my university, so we're going on the 4th floor. Being in China, even I'm also attending this festival, I think for the first time, because I always got the chance, but somehow I used to miss it because of the exam, because this festival is held between the exam. I have my medicine and my other exam on 10 and 11 consecutively. See? She's asking whether you can make it or not.
More things. 6 hours. 6 hours. This one is later. Miss Ang will teach us how to make it. This one, okay? Yeah. You know, when I was small, I also learned how to make it. 这是一个马 horse 北京年的 year of horse. Yeah, this year is the year of horse. And you see, what's the function of like this kind and also this kind? What's the function? So what's the function? When we made it, how we make use of it? This one. For example, if we have the bags, okay? Yeah, we make just what can I say? To clip to our bags. Okay, if you have some keys, you also attach it to keys. 大家知道吗 ？Just make a function of a decoration. Yeah, about bags or some keys or something. Yes.
We use them as keychain.
This one is bigger. Can you see what is in it? What is this? What kind of thing in it? Yeah, good. Fish. Yeah, all these are small fish. Because in Chinese, the fish, the pronunciation is 鱼. 鱼 just means a lot. That is to give best wishes. Every year you can win a lot. You can earn a lot of money. You can have a lot of things. 年年有余. Okay? Yeah, just the best wish.
Every year you get more and more
to make this one.
Fish. You means a lot.
7 to 8 days.
7 to 8 days it took her to make that.
Yeah. 对中国人，这个 can you see this one? What is this? Yeah, it's a crown. Crown for what? In China. Crown for what? For the king, no. Actually, this is a very traditional. In China, like the lunar calendar, okay? The New Year Spring Festival, the 5th day. The 5th day for all Chinese families is to welcome the treasure God to their family. That is to give the best wishes. Okay, in the following year, the whole family will earn a lot of money. Will have the luck of fortune. Okay.
and she made.
Oh, 2 or 3 days to make this one. Okay. Very nice. 好，那安老师现在教我们做这个。好，everybody.
Now she's teaching us how to make that. Show your mindfulness, Gayatri.
That mind is good.
You should, yeah.
Hey guys. Hey.
I did one. This one is there in my mind, so I can only do one mind. Now we will be making this egg one. For this was for the bracelet for hand, and this is for the egg. So we're gonna make Mine looks like a fun experimental machine. This is what my friend made. Introduce yourself, Anuj. Introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Anuj Vaidya. I'm from India. This is me. I did it myself. My Chinese teacher teach me how to do it, so I made it for my bottle.
Okay.
真的很好，这个学生的创意不错啊！当然你看看，
He's praising him that he did a good work.
啊，
And now we are packing. We have packed our this stuff. Now we will be leaving. She's my class teacher. She's very nice. Where is my bottle? Yeah, they gave us bottle also if we feel thirsty. And you know, everywhere in China we can see bamboo. Well, this is not the real one. This is the artificial one. But everywhere in China we can see the bamboo. The custom of China's Dragon Boat Festival. This year is a horse year, so now she made one horse too, and which I have already showed you in the video.
那个凌云，你的东西拿了吗？我拿哦，对。你的桌上的呢？拿了吗？好的，那等一下，我帮你把这车跑的是。错了。